Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I created this hair growth oil that has helped in my hair length journey and has also helped with my edges. So guys, without further ado, I am going to dive right into the video. And before we do that, please endeavor to click on that subscribe button which is there on your interface. Here I have my blended cloves. Cloves contain eugenol, which is a compound that contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial to the growth of your hair and your scalp. And for our second ingredient, we have rosemary. Rosemary is a rich source of antioxidants too, which are thought to help boost immune system and improve blood circulation. Rosemary is also beneficial for androgenic alopecia, aka pattern baldness. It is also good for hair thinning and hair loss. It relaxes the muscles in the scalp, allowing better blood flow to the hair follicles. These two ingredients are a popular source of Ayurvedic treatment, which helps to grow longer, stronger hair when used consistently. They are rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the hair and scalp from diseases and infestations like dandruff. They are anti-inflammatory properties, which helps improve blood circulation through the scalp, and they also help preventing graying of hair. So these two combination literally is very good for your hair and your scalp. For the measurement, I'm using half tablespoon of each of the ingredients. Next, I added my argan oil. Now, if you have coconut oil, olive oil, any carrier oil that you have, you can use it in place of this oil, okay? Any carrier oil you have. Now, the measurement of it is 1 tablespoon. Next, I added coconut oil and it's also 1 tablespoon. Go ahead to mix everything properly. Using the double boiling method, I let the ingredients infuse in the oil, which was about 10 to 15 minutes. And then after 10 to 15 minutes, I allowed it to cool off, as then I go on to extract it using a cheesecloth. So guys, endeavor to click on that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up while you watch. So after extracting the oil, this is the goodness that my hair will be taking. Now this hair oil is going to prevent dry scalp, it's going to prevent dandruff, it is also going to prevent premature graying of hair, preventing hair loss, cleans and suits your scalp, literally beneficial for your scalp, because remember, a healthy scalp equals healthy hair. So I'm going to go on to transfer the oil into a container, which will be more easy and flexible for me to use. So guys, that is it for this video. Do all to share this video with your friends, your family member, anybody that you think that might need this video, because this hair oil is very good both for adults and for younger ones. But of course, before you use it, try out a patch test first, like apply it on any part of your hand or your skin before you start using it. If irritation occurs, do not use. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.